Welcome to your Python tutorial on data analysis. Today we are going to talk about how to create QR code in Python. I know you have a lot of platform, a lot of app you can use to create your QR code. But now let's talk about how can you use Python to create a QR code. So now let's dive into it. Before you create a QR code, you need to install your PyQR code in your terminal, and also you need to install your PyPNG into your terminal. So that's the first step. Now the second step, let's get into coding. Now I need to import my QR code from my PyQR code. Okay, let's do that. So now I need to use import PyQR code. Okay. Now I also need to import PNG. Okay, from Py. Okay, QR code. Import QR code. Okay, so that's it. So now the next stage, now I need to create a string to represent the QR code. So I'm going to create a variable, okay, and insert my string into it. So my variable is going to be called t, which is equals to, which is www.timelinesealed.info. Okay, so that's the link for my QR code. So let's move to the next stage. Now I need to create or generate my QR code. Now to do that, I'll use my URL is equals to PyQR code, okay, dot create. Now I need to open a bracket and put my t, which is my variable name, for the link into it. So that's it. Now let's move to the next stage. Now the next stage, I need to create and save my SVG file with a name. Because right now I'm creating two files. I'm creating SVG file and PNG file. So now to do that, I have to use my url.svg, okay, open a bracket, then give it a quote, okay, name.svg, okay, then I have to give it a comma, then scale, which is equals to 8, that's the size, okay, so that's for that. And also I need to create a file with the same name, so which is url.png, okay, I open a bracket, then I give it a quote, it's going to be name, okay, .png, okay, and you give it a comma, then scale, so I'm going to give it 6. What I just did now, I've built and create my QR code. So the QR code name is known as name, okay? So now to locate it, we have to go to my computer. So we have to go to C, then go to user, okay? When you get to user, you go to user again. So you open your project. My project is located at Python project. Okay, and then my folder, Python project, and my folder name is called variable. And now let's look at it. Where is it? Okay, so it's called name. So this is it, name. Okay, so that's the name of my QR code. Okay, so that's it. This is how to create your QR code in Python. So kindly share and like and make comments if you have any question. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.